Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com. It's day 8 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, and today we're making one of my absolute favorites, soft batch M&M Christmas cookies. These cookies are like a soft, bakery-style chocolate chip cookie, but made even better with a combo of cream cheese and butter in the dough and lots of red and green M&Ms. Now let's get baking. Let's start with the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set that aside. Next, beat together 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix in the egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture until cookie dough forms. Gently stir in 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips and 1 1/2 cups of Christmas M&M candies. Refrigerate the dough for about 30 minutes. Use a 1 or 2 tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough and place the dough balls on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 8 to 9 minutes, being careful not to overbake. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to rest on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. Thanks so much for baking with me today. I hope you love these soft batch M&M Christmas cookies. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget, this is day 8 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, so make sure you've subscribed and turned on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's recipe. See you next time!